wondering how to put these pieces on. So what I did is I folded them in half. And I just marked them with a pencil. Here. And here. And pencil. Pencil. Can't really see that, but the pencil marks here and here. I'm going to glue this piece on here like that. I'll center that up and measure it. Alright, I got it all square. My center marks are here, here. I made it 1 inch down from there to the top. Then I put little pieces of painter's tape to come off. Then I put my square along the bottom to make sure. The square, and then I measured it all the way up. So that's exactly right. Do the same on the other side. I have all 4 pieces, the 2 ends, sides here. I'm going to glue these on all of them. I've laid them all out. Put chalk lines around all of them. Measured 5 ends. I used my square here to make sure it's square and then measured across. We'll glue them up and sew them later. Here's all my pieces drying. I contacted, cemented. Just gonna take it into focus. Black pieces on here. It's drying now. I didn't think you needed to see the whole process. I'm here in my bathroom because it's got a fan. That contact cement's pretty bad. Right, we're gonna punch the holes 4 different spots here. Right here at the end. And then right here. Flip the square around. Or over here. Oh, I'm not gonna do the top here. So I'll do it when we do sew the handle on. So we'll do all the pieces, and then we'll stitch them. And you see I'm stitching these here and here. I did this one, you don't need to see every one. Put the 3 stitches on. This top stitch will go on when I put the handles on. So all these are done. I'll do this one now. And you've seen stitching before. You just stitch it. So, you know, you put a couple needles through there. You make it in a knot. Call it good. There. We know how to do that. So that's what I do. I won't bore you with the whole length, but it takes a couple hours to do them all. So what? You have lots of time. Might as well do it right.